In this video, we will show you how to install a laminator module onto an HDP5000 card printer. The laminator module has two mounting tabs, while the flipper or printer have two slots that they will go into. The laminator module has two L-shaped mounting tabs, and there is a circuit board connector that needs to slide into the flipper or printer side. In the flipper module, or the printer if you don't have a flipper module, there are two L-shaped slots that the laminator is going to slide into, and there is a circuit board connector that the circuit board module will connect to in order to communicate with the printer. Once you are ready to connect the laminator, you will need to line up the mounting tabs with the slots on the printer and then push them together gently. And because the laminator needs to be attached to the printer with screws on the bottom, you will need to tip the whole printer over onto its back. Now that we have the printer on its back, the screws will be inserted into two holes on the flipper module, one at the top left and one on the bottom left. If you don't have a flipper module, the printer has these holes as well, and there are arrows pointing to them.